Hi, I am Miss Eby, the ninth grade literature teacher, and we are going to start our Friday writings. Every Friday, you will be writing something. We are going to start with really short little arguments and progress towards a structured paragraph, and then write one essay per quarter. So you have 4 essays coming up total. But again, we're starting small. So, your homework for today is to take a look at this writing argument. Now, when I say argument, that does not mean fighting with your siblings. An argument means the logical progression of thought, proving a point, proving a thesis. Hopefully, you have already learned excellent sentence structure and how to decorate a sentence in middle school. But now that you're in high school, we're working towards not just communicating in your writing, but being able to lay out and prove something, being able to answer a question, offer reasons for that, and explain it. And that's what we're looking at in this particular assignment. So, in this writing assignment, you are going to be writing 3 sentence answers. They must be 3, no more and no less. I'll ask you a question, and then you answer in writing. The first sentence must be state your position, state your answer. If the question is the sky blue? Then your answer should be, the sky is blue. Second question, offer proof for your position. This is going to be, in literature class, a quote from the actual text. Actually, whenever possible, quote the actual text as proof for your answer. So you need to embed this quote in a sentence, have it either a lead in or a lead out, and choose an excellent quote that proves your point. Number 3, explain how the quote actually proves your first sentence. So again, if the question is the sky blue? Question number 1 would be, the sky is blue. Sentence number 2, the sky is blue because scientists have proven that the light coming from the sky is within the wavelength that comes to our eyes and is translated as blue. Number 3, this means that we perceive the sky as blue. Now, that one isn't perfect, but it is roughly the layout for your writing. Now, another example is from the Shakespeare play, Much Ado About Nothing. If the question is, what does Leonardo think about Beatrice and Benedict at the start of the play? Much Ado About Nothing, statement 1 answers that question directly. Leonardo is amused by Beatrice and Benedict's bickering at the start of the play, Much Ado About Nothing. 2, he states that they never meet, but there's a merry war betwixt the two. That is your quote, proving what he's saying. And then explain. 3, although he acknowledged it as a war, by calling it merry, Leonardo shows that he thinks it is light and funny. And so we have this logical progression answering the question with proof and explanation. Now it's your turn. I have several questions for you. You need to write a 3-sentence answer to each. You can type into the document itself. And I have on the document laid out how it will be graded. Usually we'd be writing this in class, and then I check your writing, actually handwriting, on Mondays, but we're going to have you turn this in on Google Documents, and I will go over it with you next week and respond with comments. So your questions for this week are, is Zeus a virtuous god? 2, do Cupid and Psyche have a good relationship? 3, is Hercules intelligent? This is based off of your summer reading of the Greek mythology. You will need to use your book. Do use your book. Have it beside you when you are writing and answer these questions. I look forward to reading your responses.